Question 8. Elena is considering buying bracelets and necklaces as gifts for her friends. Bracelets cost $3 and necklaces cost $5. She can spend no more than $30 on gifts. Ellen needs at least 7 gift items. Create a system of equations or inequalities that model this situation, and then we're going to graph that. Okay, so the first statement, she needs at least 7 gifts. That is going to be, let's see, X is the number of bracelets, so let me put X here. Y is the number of necklaces. So that first one is going to be X plus Y. She needs at least 7, so it's going to be greater than or equal to 7. That's my first equation. My second equation has to do with the cost. So the cost, it's $3 per bracelet, so that's 3X, plus $5 for each necklace, that's 5Y. And the limit, the constraint, is she can spend no more than $30. So that's how much she's spending, which has to stay less than or equal to $30. Now we're going to graph this. So the first one, X plus Y, is greater than or equal to 7. Do my favorite little find the intercepts. When X is 0, Y is 7. When Y is 0, X is 7. So 0, 7, 7, 0. And this is greater than or equal to, so I'm going to do a solid line. Okay? And am I going to shade to the left or to the right? Well, if I plug 0, 0 for my X and Y into that, I'm going to end up with 0 is greater than or equal to 7, which is not true. So 0, 0 is right there. That is not a solution to that first inequality. So I would be shading everything above or to the right of that line. Okay, now let's do the second one. 3x plus 5y has to be less than or equal to 30. Again, I could put that, if I was doing this, I would probably find the intercepts, but just so I can, show you a different way, over here, let me write this. 3x plus 5y is less than or equal to 30. I know a lot of you always want to put it in slope-intercept form, so I'll do that. Start by moving the 3x over, and then I'm going to divide by 5, divide by 5. So y is less than or equal to negative 3 over 5x plus 6. So it's going to be crossing at 6, there. And the slope is negative 3/5. So I would go down 3 and over 5. So that's going to put me right there. And then I'm going to connect those with a line. And again, this is less than or equal to, so I would go like so. I'm going to erase that horizontal line just so it's not confusing there. And then, am I going to shade above or below that line? Well, I could test using 0, 0 again. And if I was to plug that into this, the left side would just, these both cancel out, and you'd be left with 0 is less than or equal to 30, which is true. So 0, 0 is part of my solution. So I would be shading everything below this line. So what's the part that's been shaded twice? It's everything that's in here. So those are all of the combinations, all the points in part B, where it says show all the points that represent the number of bracelets and necklaces that Ella can buy. That would be the, I guess I would say the blue shaded region.